Hi Legos Fun. In this video, we're gonna study data logging. Data logging can help you learn the world around you by collecting sensory information about your surroundings. The collected data will be saved at current power test data file. Let's upload LogBot v1. Disconnect USB cable. Fine. And run the code. The LogBot rotates on its own axis and is slow down its speed until it stops. The code takes 100 readings and stores the information in a file called current power test data. Just fine. Now go to Menu, Tools, Memory Browser, and upload RTF file by clicking Upload button. Now, fine. Now choose a directory to save the file. In my case, episode 10 tutorial running LogBot v1 and save as CSV extension. Watch out, please. This is an important step. Click Save, then Close. Fine. Now open the Google spreadsheet. Click on plus symbol. File, import, choose the file just uploaded by selecting a file on your device. Mine is tutorial running log data v1 directory, and now open it up. The name of the file is current test data and just fine. Now uploading, comma as separator type, import. Now select the range. Click Insert, Chart. Now move to On Sheet button. And there you go. By pointing the cursor to the blue line, you can see the current power data. Now let's add another column. Select the first column, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, name to 45 degrees line. Now go to Chart, Edit Chart button, Add Series button. Return to the spreadsheets, select the column and click OK. And there you go again. On this graph you can see that the motor responds almost linearly to the demanding power. Thanks for watching my tutorials this week. If you just found it helpful, be sure to subscribe for more. If you have an idea for a tutorial, be sure to submit it in the comment section below. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.